Now you will complete the split-page notes handout with a partner to paraphrase Beatty's speech. Remember, when you paraphrase something, you put it in your own words. You will have 10 minutes to complete this activity. Beatty's argument in this section of the text is similar to the argument we make as writers when we write a paragraph for an analysis essay. In other words, it has claim. He has a claim. He has evidence to back up that claim, and he has reasoning to show how that evidence backs up the claim. In order to better understand and evaluate Beatty's argument, we're going to use this organizer for our writing. I'm going to divide you into pairs or groups of 3. I want you to think, turn, talk with a partner in response to this question. What is Beatty's claim in this section of the text? There's a copy of this organizer in your lesson post for this lesson as a Google slide. Now let's create a shared claim together as a class. You're going to put our shared claim on the top of the organizer where it says claim. I want you to reread the following sections of the text to identify 3 pieces of evidence and reasoning that Beatty uses to support his argument. On page 58, starting with luckily queer ones, the first paragraph on page 59, starting with Beatty got up, and the last paragraph on pages 54 and 55, starting with now let's take. You will have 10 minutes to complete this activity. I would like a student to read aloud the excerpt on the slide. How does Bradbury use tension to develop the theme? In what other ways does Bradbury build tension in this section of the text? We're going to use the reading protocol from your reading protocol conversation stems and discussion tracker handout to discuss these questions. How does Bradbury use tension to develop the themes in this section of the text? You're going to add to the tension row in your anchor text theme tracker. You will have 5 minutes to do so. For homework, you will read pages 60 through 65 in Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury. Then you will respond to the following in your reading log. What claim does Montag try to make in his conversation with Millie? Why is this claim ineffective in convincing Millie? For this lesson, you will need your copy of Fahrenheit 451 and your reading log. Congratulations! You have completed Lesson 14 of the Fahrenheit 451 unit. In this lesson, you learned that Beatty knows Montag is still struggling with his role in society and tries to persuade Montag to fall back in line, and you analyzed a character's argument, irony, and structure in a literary text.